Oh, yeah? And what about all the great hitters that are on the Electabuzz?
Those guys aren't hitters. I've seen better swings on a playground.
Guess who's back? Steve.
Squirtle, return!
Is everything okay?
It's okay. It's working just fine.
I wasn't asking about your camera. I was worried about you.
But you see, this camera is my life. Get yourself a new life.
Guess who's back? Steve.
I hate the way she treats us, but I like the way she looks.
Yeah, not like some other girls who treat you bad and look even worse.
That girl's more beautiful than any flower I've ever seen.
What are you talking about, Brock? I don't see any beautiful girl.
Just turn around.
Misty, please, only one of us can hallucinate at a time.
Turn down for what?
All I think about lately is winning. I hope I'm not becoming heartless.
You are always heartless.
Come on, what say we forget the tournament and grab some lunch?
I think you'll be dining alone as usual.
Turn down for what?
It's that kind of invitation they invented lawsuits for! Chill out. We couldn't care less about you.
Guess who's back? Steve.
It's so gross. Ash, put that slimy thing back in the Pokeball! Bugs are one of the 3 most disgusting things in the world!
Aside from you, what are the other disgusting things?
Annie? This must be a pretty dangerous town. My picture's gonna be on posters when I'm a big famous star. Excuse me? Maybe in horror movies.
Turn down for what?
We'll never get so desperate that we have to sink to Gary's level.
Even your Pikachu feels sorry for you, Ash. I've never seen anyone so pathetic.
Have you tried a mirror?
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
I'll take care of these 3 clowns.
That's pretty big talk coming from such a little lady.
At least you're right about the pretty part. Thanks for the compliment.
The girl thinks she's pretty.
I agree with her. I think she's pretty too. Pretty pathetic.
Let's go, Psyduck!
Now we'll see who gets the last quack.
Ha! Anyway, Psyduck and I are so cute we'll look good whatever fashion we wear.
I'm sure Psyduck will.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
This is a boring way to catch Pokemon.
Be quiet.
I could have gone out and caught 10 of them by now.
Will you please shut your mouth?
Don't you think we should give up?
Maybe we're using the wrong bait.
How long are we gonna have to sit here like this?
I know it seems boring, but if we're really quiet, maybe it'll only take another hour.
As long as you're quiet, I don't care if we're here another 2 hours.
Come back!
Oh, it's them again.
You'd better give back Pikachu or else!
Or else what?
Why don't you twipes just give it up already, huh?
No one likes a person who doesn't know when to quit.
Then that explains why everyone hates you 3!
Turn down for what?
Wow, I've never seen a Venusaur as tiny as that one. It's an Ivysaur, May. Guess that's why.
To be or not to be the greatest actress of them all, now that is the question.
Whether she's lost her mind is the question.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
Check out my Robo Baby Buggy Berry Robbing, swipe the sweets and make our own treats Artillery Mark 3!
Huh? That's such a creative name.
You would think that.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
And I'm wondering why that Flabebe landed in Bonnie's hair.
Oh, Oh, that's easy. Because my hair's as beautiful as a flower thanks to Serena. Am I really that pretty? All right, I guess I am.
I see. The reason Flabebe landed on Bonnie's head wasn't because she looked pretty. It thought it saw its favorite flower. That makes sense. It's always better using scientific reasoning.
Guess who's back?
Still doing that, Andre? Oh.